This is a visualization for healing paralysis. Begin by closing your eyes and breathing out 3 times. Breathing up and down your body as you become aware of your breath and your body, and focusing your attention on your breathing. Feeling how the air flows into your nose, into your mouth, and down your throat. Feeling your chest and your belly expand as they receive this life-giving air. Imagine now that you're breathing into other parts of your body. Imagine the air flowing through your pelvis and then expanding into your belly and going down to your legs, your feet, and your toes as they expand and contract a little. And now breathe into your shoulders, your arms, and your fingers. And notice how you feel. And breathe out and open your eyes. And you can do this visualization as many times as you feel, and sending you lots of healing and lots of blessings.